Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by ensuring the floodlight camera is powered and on the same Wi-Fi network. This avoids connection hiccups. Open the Ring app and tap the specific floodlight cam in your device's list so settings load. Once the device page appears, select Motion Settings to access zones. You do this now to keep changes local to the camera. It speeds up live previews and prevents conflicting schedules. Make sure Live View works before proceeding so motion edits show immediate feedback. Now edit zones using the on-screen polygon handles. Drag corners and edges to trace real-world coverage like walkways or driveways. You can create multiple zones, then enable or disable each one depending on priority. Adjust sensitivity for each zone so small animals don't trigger alerts while people do. Once done, test with Live View or walk the area. This preview shows what the camera will detect. If detections are too many or few, return and tweak the polygon, edges, and sensitivity. Finish by tapping Save so the camera applies your new motion zones to live detection. Make sure to set motion schedules and mode overrides if you want different behavior at night or when you're home. After saving, perform a quick walk-by test and review the alert's history to confirm correct triggers. If zones aren't working, reboot the camera and router, verify Wi-Fi strength, and, if needed, reinstall or update the Ring app. These steps fix most syncing and display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.